Hi, my name is Sarah binti Sugantrayuno and I'm from MJSC Tun Dr. Ismail Pontian under the MYP IB program. As you all know, we need to do a personal project as a final evaluation and assignment in MYP IB program. So today, I want to present to you my personal project, Food Loops. Before all that, let us take a look at the final product of my personal project, a video of my journey. Hello guys, so today I'm going to introduce you to my personal project entitled Food Loops. So Food Loops is where I'm going to make organic compost from waste that I collect myself from my house and immersion to my stuff. And today I'm going to ask for my brother's help to build the container. And yeah, so enjoy my personal project. Rain. Woo. We're looking for worms. Siput tak membantu ke? So look, this is all worm. Tak, masuk? Macam ni masuk? Nak ke? Oh.
Dia bau guys.
Letak macam ni Kat
Tak je.
sini. Baru bukan je.
Tak bukannya?
Ke kat sana sikit. Oh my god.
Baik lah setting. Dua tanah lagi.
Sekejap sabar. Ni nak turun.
Takat lah tu. Coba lawak tu. Dekat.
Tak mati lah. Lepas tu?
Dah tekan dah balik.
Letakkan balik.
Letak daun
Takut?
tu. Letak daun. Dah letak daun eh?
Nak tak lagi?
Letak lagi. Letak tanah. Letak.
Boleh gatal.
Abang ambil portrait ke video?
So actually everything is almost decomposed, except for some of the food, the waste of food is there's still some left of it, and yeah, there's smelly smell, like smell of the food that decompose, but it's really quite okay. It's not really that smelly, and I also add some dry leaves for the brown materials, and some yeah, that's it. So I hope that we go well for my compost. Thank you. So, as I've stated in the video, Food Loops is a project where I created my own organic fertilizer from food waste in my house. This project is inspired by the global issues, which is pollution caused by the wide range of usage of chemical fertilizers in our community. As you all know, chemical fertilizers already harm thousands of aquatic lives by now. They also increase the acidity of the soil and cause mineral depletion in soil. That is why I want to change this and encourage the usage of organic fertilizer instead of chemical fertilizer in our community in order to create a better and healthier environment. With that, my goal in this project is to encourage the usage of organic fertilizer instead of chemical fertilizer. At the same time, I can do a thorough research on organic fertilizer while learning how to produce organic fertilizers from food waste. For this project, I've chosen globalization and sustainability as my global context. The reason is because, through the guidelines of the global context, I could do thorough research on organic fertilizers and stay focused in achieving my main goal. Other than producing organic fertilizer, I need to test and ensure the effectiveness of the organic fertilizer that I produce. That is why, at the end of this project, I did some simple experiment to test the effectiveness of my organic fertilizer on plants. This is the list of materials that I used during this project. For organic fertilizer, I use container, dry leaves, soil, eggshells, shrimp shells, onion skins, banana peels, newspaper pieces, and earthworms as natural free fertilizers. For experiment purpose, I use chili seeds, flower pots, gardening forks, garden trowels, ruler for the reading of the heights of the plant, spray bottle, and lastly, the organic fertilizer that I produce. The crucial part of this project is the process of producing the organic fertilizer. So for this, I did some research to ensure its effectiveness, and these are the steps that I've done. First, I punch some holes at the bottom of the container for waterway purpose. Then I start layering, starting with the soil, dry leaf, food wastes, that is onion skins, banana peels, eggshells, and shrimp shells. Then I top it with soil again, and lastly, I put newspaper pieces and soil as a final layer. After several weeks, this is the result of my organic fertilizer. This is the final look of my organic fertilizer, and below that is the final result of the experiment on the plant. So this is the data that I acquired, the readings of height of the plants, one with the organic fertilizer and one without it. I took the reading every 2 weeks for a better comparison, and the final result showed that my organic fertilizer was a success and effective. As an early reflection, I could say that my product was a success and I achieved my main goal in this project. My product met all the criteria to the guidelines of the global context, globalization, and sustainability. I also learned new knowledges through the research and gained new experiences after this project. And I'm so happy with the final outcomes of my project, which also including the IB learner profiles that I've developed as an IB student throughout this whole project. I hope you enjoy my presentation. That is all from me. Thank you.